Hi iStylers, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStYLEMYSTYLE, and today's video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by Hilary from My Old World Home, and it is the $5 Goodwill Challenge Spring Edition 2020. And Hilary hosts these seasonal challenges every year, and every season we're supposed to go out to the Goodwill or the thrift store and find something for $5 or less that we can use as decor or however you need to use it in your home. Mine is always decor because I love decorating my home, especially with things I find at the Goodwill at a really good price. Well, I'm sad to say that I was not able to go thrifting recently for my $5 Goodwill Challenge piece. However, that did not stop me. I decided I was going to shop or thrift in my basement. So let me show you what I found. Let's go see what we can find in the basement. It's dark. Let's go. All right, so we are going to thrift my haul in the basement. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff. And I don't know what we're going to use. Not everything is from the thrift store, but most of it is. What can we find to use for spring? Oh, we have this cute little bird that I thrifted. It's cute. If I remember correctly, he cost me $1.99. So we'll take him. And those candle holders I thrifted, but I really don't want to use those. I thrifted those candle holders down there, but I really don't want to use those. I think I will surprise you. So yeah, let's see what we can put together. All right guys, so I'm back from my basement thrifting adventures. I know I have a lot of stuff, and that's just one shelf. And that is one of the reasons why my boyfriend says I am a hoarder, but I love home decor. And it is all on a shelf. Admittedly, 4 shelves. So yeah, if you would like to see how I store my home decor pieces, leave a comment down below and I might do a video on it if we get enough comments, because I have a lot of home decor. And yeah, so, but back to today's video. It's the $5 Goodwill Challenge, and in my thrifting adventures downstairs, I found a couple of items that I thrifted a while ago that I think I can use. One of them was this little bird that I said was $1.99, but he was actually $3.50, and I picked him up at the Salvation Army Restore. He's really cute. I don't know that I will use him, but it is one option. The next option that I picked up that I figured I could use for spring is this cute little rabbit. He came from Goodwill and he was 99 cents, as you can see. Oh, so cute. The next item that I picked up, I think it's like a little ice bucket, and it says it's a silver plated ice bucket. It's Farberware. I don't know where it's from, but I thought it was cute and I figured I could use it for home decor, and it was 50 cents. So I think I will be using this one as well as the rabbit. So that puts us at $1.50, really $1.49, since that was 99 cents. I also found this candle holder that I picked up, and it's got a mercury glass finish, very pretty. It came with a candle, and it was $2, and I picked that up at a peddler's mall last year. So I think I can use that. And then I also found this really pretty tray, and I don't want to blind you. And I love the detailing on it. It's got the little raised beads, very, very pretty. And it was only $1. And it's very, very heavy. So I thought this was an excellent find. So this is $1, $3, $3.50, $99, so $4.50, right under $5. So we are going to use these items that I thrifted, and let's go decorate the house for spring. Keep watching. All right, guys, so this is how I use the items that I found thrifting in my basement. I put the tray on my coffee table in my theater room, and I added a black egg to the little rabbit. I added some greenery to the little ice bucket, and I think it turned out really well, really great. So I want to thank Hilary for hosting this $5 Goodwill Challenge, Spring Edition 2020. It was not our usual thrifting adventures to find our $5 Goodwill Challenge item, but it was still fun searching in the basement nonetheless. And I hope you enjoyed the video, even though it was a little outside the norm. So if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new here, welcome. I do DIYs, I do thrifting, I do lots of home decor, as you can see. And if those are things that you are interested in and things that you like, please consider hitting the subscribe button and becoming a part of my YouTube family and joining me on my YouTube journey. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. I will leave a link for Hilary's channel and a link of the playlist of all the participants down below. Until next time, bye-bye.